Since when God created this world, nobody does say what? You don't need money to be rich. So they're blind since when God created this world. But people don't talk in different ways. Different ways. Think and grow rich. Think and grow rich. You understand? So different ways they don't talk. So until you talk your own, come. Your own. God not go rest.
A lot of people don't constantly remind themselves of the dreams that they have. Because if you constantly remind yourself, what happens is that your buttock will be too hot for you to just sit down and allow nothing to happen.
See, in this country, we are too passive. You open business, you open shop, and you believe that because you open shop, people should be coming. Nonsense. Nobody owes you anything.